Every night as you close your eyes and fall asleep, your body begins an extraordinary journey. While you rest peacefully, millions of hidden processes start working inside you. Inside your brain, activity begins to change. Some regions become quieter while billions of neurons continue communicating, preparing your mind for deep and restorative sleep. As you enter REM sleep, your brain becomes highly active. This is the stage where dreams are created, turning memories, emotions, and imagination into vivid experiences. Your heart also responds to sleep. Its rhythm becomes slower and more efficient, allowing the cardiovascular system to recover and conserve energy throughout the night. With every breath, your lungs continue their vital work. Oxygen enters the bloodstream while carbon dioxide leaves the body, keeping every cell supplied with the energy it needs. During deep sleep, the body switches into repair mode. Damaged tissues are rebuilt, muscles recover from daily activity, and cells begin important maintenance work. At the same time, growth hormones are released into the bloodstream. These hormones help repair tissues, strengthen muscles, and support healthy development. While you sleep, your brain performs an important cleaning process. Waste products and toxins are removed, helping the brain stay healthy and function efficiently. Sleep is also essential for memory. Important information from the day is organized and stored, helping you learn, remember, and think more clearly. Your immune system becomes stronger during sleep. Specialized cells patrol the body, identifying and eliminating potential threats while you rest. But why do dreams feel so real? During REM sleep, multiple areas of the brain work together, creating detailed experiences that can seem almost identical to reality. Meanwhile, your body's energy reserves are restored. Cells recharge, organs recover, and the entire system prepares for the challenges of a new day. Without enough sleep, brain performance quickly begins to decline. Concentration, memory, and reaction time all become noticeably weaker. After prolonged sleep deprivation, the effects become more serious. Communication between brain regions becomes less efficient, affecting both physical and mental performance. After a full night of healthy sleep, your brain is refreshed, your body is repaired, and your energy is restored. Sleep is not just rest. It is one of the most powerful processes for human health and survival. So tonight, when you go to sleep, remember that your body is doing far more than resting. It is repairing, protecting, and preparing you for tomorrow. The human body is full of incredible secrets. Subscribe to Trendverse TV and let's uncover them together.